So what I just did with that is I actually shifted it completely over. You can see now where the center of the line of the blade almost goes directly into the center of the eye. So I completely shifted the whole eye over. You can actually see it's a little bit out in the back here. But we want this part to be actually in line. You can see now it's in line. You see this side is still slightly off. You can see it's off to one side. So now what's going to happen is I'll put the drift on this side, and over the horn I'll actually knock this side down, which will move this part over to here. And we get a good heat on that side. Put the drift in. Come over the horn. And then knock that back. One more should do it. Just like so. So I'm going to come in and round that out in the back. Okay, check it for on center. That's pretty good. Check it one more time, down the blade. Okay, I need to go just a little bit more on this side. This side is pretty good. Okay, we're good there. There, right there. Put that bad boy in. Alignment. A little baby smack. Okay. That looks pretty darn good. I'll give it another whack. Good. Knock that bad boy out. One more on that side. Pretty good there. Now if you look, this scarf right here actually opened up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to re-weld that. Check it for alignment. Pull that down just a little bit. There we go. There we go. More. There, good. There. Check it there. Oh, that looks good. Dump it. One thing that we haven't talked about is you can actually do some adjustments on the eye depending on how you actually do it. So you can actually thin one section to lengthen that side. By me having the bottom side in contact with the anvil, I'm actually cooling that off more, and that'll help to shift things around. Pretty darn good. That's pretty good. There. Okay. I am very happy with how this looks. This is really a pretty nice item. I don't like the sharp edge of the anvil. As you can see what it does, it puts a little dent in it. So basically what I'm going to do is I pull it up to the recoalescence, to the decoalescence temperature range, to the transformation range, and then I allow for it to cool off or normalize. You see that's what I'm doing here. And because I'm being anal about it, I'm actually doing a little bit of cleaning while I'm waiting. I'm cooling it off just a little bit faster, but I also want to get rid of all of the stuff that's on there. The top part looks amazing. There's no weld scarf at all. This bottom part, which I tried to correct earlier, you see it's just got the faintest little bit of weld bludge there, which I will just have to leave. It's kind of past for that point of fixing it up in that area, but I really don't care. I'm really stoked on how this came out. So now that I'm at this point, I'll take and change the top and the bottom. I'll actually open it up some. I will open it up some to actually receive the handle, because the handle has a greater taper. And I'll do that right now. This looks really, really, really good. Just a little bit off, but I can live with that. So because this handle actually has a very big taper, a very big shoulder here, I'm going to open it up some with this mandrel, and that'll help to spread it some so there when it comes down on here it'll actually fit really well. And I may actually do it on the corner of the anvil too to open it up more. My two choices of handles are actually this one and this one. You see this one doesn't have as much, so I may use this one, but this is a straight handle. Vintage. I've had this thing forever kicking around, but I can clean that up nice. And that should work really nice. So in goes the drift. That. And all it's doing is spreading the very bottom. It's not doing anything to spread the center section. It's only spraying the very bottom. Now come in and just give that a little whack there. Take a little more heat. Bring that up just a tad, just like that. Same thing. Oh, that's pretty good. Want to check it? That side's a little bit more. That works. Close that up a little bit. Lickety split. There we go. That's pretty nice. Because I'm so anal, I'm going to close this one up just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to knock that out. Put that drip. Always assume they are hot. Come out now. And there it is. There. Okay. That's as good as that's going to get. So now we're going to work a little bit on the other side. Now we're actually looking to go about halfway. As far as temperature goes. Get that bad boy in there. Take it out. Check it, make sure it looks good. I'll take one more heat. It's bulging a little more on this side, so I'll take one more heat and push it back. And I'm done. I'm taking one more heat. Slide that back in there. What I'm going to do is just simply push it back a little bit. Just like that. Make sure you keep your eye in alignment. There we go. That looks nice. That out. Okay, so now you can see that the top part is actually a little bit bigger than the bottom. Not by much, just a little bit. And we've got a nice taper going on. So I'm actually going to leave it just the way it is. And that is pretty much it. So now just a matter of cleaning it up. We've already done our normalizing cycles. But technically, if we want to, we can actually harden it right now. So I think I'm going to. Looks amazing.